What's up you all people, I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video, and guys, in this video I'm going to tell you my city update. Yes guys, it's been a very long time since I gave a city update. As you all know, there was fighting between two clans, my clan and enemy clan in this. So a lot of things have changed since then, and I was busy making another videos on my channel. But now I think it's really time to give you all an update what's really going on in my city. So we are going to talk about this today, and I'm going to show you another video where me and Anna attack some guy and zero him in just 2 hits. So this video is going to be really entertaining, so watch this video until the end. But before we continue any further guys, as you all know, it's shout out time, and guys, today's shout out goes to Miraj Davis, who is writing to me, thank you, I need a video like this. So Miraj Davis, thanks for your kind word, and shout out to you my brother. Keep grinding, keep playing, and you will become a Mafia City god. So guys, if you want me to give you a shout out like Miraj Davis, all you need to do is to be a subscriber of this channel, comment this video right now, and guys, I'm going to pick up a random comment from this video and give it a shout out. That's how I do in my every video. So if you are new, then make sure to smash that subscribe button guys, and at 1k subscriber a Mafia City pack giveaway is coming, and guys, announcement is coming really soon, so hold tight for that, and I'm going to announce a Mafia City pack giveaway. Make sure to participate in that giveaway, and you're going to have a chance to win a Mafia City pack. Now guys, let's continue. So guys, as you all know, or if you don't know, then I'm going to give you a quick summary that what was happening, or that there was fight between two clan. I'm just going to go in ranking page. I'm going to show you clan in my city. Thing was happening was guys that there was a fight between two clan, the Bad Bloods top clan and our clan, and things was going same like this. If you want to know detail about why this fight started, I will give a link in the description in the comment section about how this all fight started. So make sure to watch that video if you haven't watched that video too. So quick summary, fight between two clan was happening, and all other clan in my city was out of it. They were not bubble, everything was going normally, and I was kind of enjoying that thing. Bad Blood clan become mayor, they gave us debuff, and I was fine with it. That chain looked so much cool in my mansion. The debuff was not really doing anything, so it was just fun stuff and nothing really mattered. But guys, the things start to change guys when after Bad Blood the another clan mayor turn come. The condition Bad Blood clan made for them was that we will only give you mayor if you will put debuff on us, that means our clan. So that was the only condition Bad Blood was putting on every other clan if they want to get mayor. As you all know, they were just trying to take the advantage of their power, that we are the top clan, and they're trying to control this city by this. And the thing was happening this guy, that this another clan rise from the Ashes clan mayor turn come, and they were like not so much fighter in this clan. They are all like normal player, just collect resource and playing farm villa type of stuff. And they were like, okay, we will listen to you. And because they were thinking that this is top clan, they will protect them if anything happen, if they will give debuffs to us. So they agree to them, they become mayor, they make security from some player in Bad Blood, and this player give us debuff. Nothing really problem guys, but the thing was that start going bad, that they dragged another clan in this fight, and another clan is listening to them, and this is just showing that this Bad Blood is trying to control another clan from all of this, which was our original point in when this fight started, that this clan is trying to control everything in the city, which should not be the case. So this clan listened to them and gave us debuff. Things continue for a week, but guys, then another clan mayor turn come. So they asked them same, that give us debuff when you will become mayor. And this clan is guys a little bit different from RFA. In this clan there are a lot of people who's ready to fight. So that the thing happened when they become mayor, they did not give us debuff, instead they give another clan debuff. They give debuff to this enemy clan, and from there guys, it's become really bad. This Bad Blood clan gone crazy and attack all farms and everything without just giving any reason and all. Just because they gave debuff, they just start attacking every farm, every mansion that was without bubble. And now guys, the thing is happening right now, it's all out war, and now city is divided in two. Some clans are with Bad Blood and some clans are with us. So now it's us and this top 2 clan and top 6 clan versus the all city guys. I was hoping that thing will become a little bit normal now, but now it's opposite. I'm going to show you a clip where I attack some guy and zero him with Anna. So here it goes.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down.
So that was the attack I did, guys, when the full on city war started, and that's how it's going in my city. The top clan is not really controlling anything. They were just thinking that they are going to control every clan in the city and rule, but there's nothing going to happen like this. All clans are independent, especially that are with us, and the another clan which are with them, they are thinking that this bad blood clan is going to protect them. But guys, in the end they are cannot even able to protect themselves properly. So what are they going to protect others? In this game, guys, nobody is going to protect you. You just need to protect yourself with your bubble. And I'm going to make a further video on this war, and let's see how it's going to all turn out. But right now I'm really enjoying all of this, guys. So that was the update on my city, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this channel a subscribe. And guys, if you have any question, then make sure to ask in the comment section, and like this video, guys, right now. And I'll be back tomorrow with another awesome Mafia City video, guys. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.